Hi, my name is Muhammad Mirza bin Awi. My metric number is 01 DKM 19F 1094. Case Study 1. Engineer shall hold paramount the safety, health and welfare of the public in the performance of their professional duties. Unjustified expenditure of public funds. The whistleblower may well have to pay the price of loss of employment. From past experience, even if they have ultimately prevailed on legal or political ground, the experience is not one to be undertaken lightly. Engineer A does not have an ethical obligation to continue his effort to secure a change in the policy of his employer under this circumstance, or report to his concern to proper authority, but has an ethical right to do so as a matter of personal conscience. Case Study 2. Case 96-3. Refusing to sign or seal construction document. This circumstance can become particularly sensitive where an engineer leaves a firm to go to work with a competing firm. This issue has been discussed by the BER on numerous occasions. See BER Case 89-7, 92-6, 93-3, 93-7. Nevertheless, the fact that the two firms are in direct competition should have no bearing upon the responsibility of the engineer to assume responsibility for the work and take appropriate steps for the benefit of the client. It would seem not only the ethical course of action, but also an action which comports with the interests of all parties, including the interests of the new firm by which the engineer is now employed. It was unethical for Engineer A to refuse to sign or seal the construction document. It was ethical for Engineer B to ask Engineer A to sign and seal the construction document. It would be ethical for Engineer A to request additional compensation. Case Study 3. Case 96-10. Comment by one engineer concerning another. As a general matter, the NSPE Code of Ethics places the obligation on all engineers to respect the reputation of all other engineers in their professional endeavors. Engineers should be honest and direct in their communication with their colleagues in all professional affairs. Frequently, individual engineers have both a professional and a business relationship with their professional colleagues, which requires the use of appropriate judgment and discretion. See NSPE Code 3.8. Alice Mosayin to Anna first. If the problem cannot be solved well, and Alice will contact the secretary if the problem continues happen. That's all from me, and bye.